What's going on, everybody? Tom here with Keto Lifestyle.
And I'm Olivia.
And today is the Independence Day, the 4th of July, and we wanted to make a nice alcoholic beverages that is keto friendly. So today we are making a keto friendly Pina Colada. Feel free to stain these things red, white, and blue if you want to do so. I wish I could, but I don't have the appropriate ingredients. Anyway, let's show you how to make them. The base of our cocktail is a drink called Bai. Bai is a keto friendly drink that is sweetened with stevia and erythritol. Therefore, you don't have to worry about it knocking you out of ketosis. You're going to get the coconut pineapple flavor and then dump the whole bottle into your blender. Next up is rum. This is just a cheap bottle of rum that I got at Sam's Club for like $13 a handle, but any white rum will do. Now we're going to add 5 ounces of this to our blender. This will make 4 cocktails, but trust me when I say this is plenty of booze to go around. Now, because I know someone's going to mention in the comment section, yes, alcohol will slow your fat loss while it is in your system, but it will not knock you out of ketosis because there are no sugars in this recipe. Next up, we're going to add 2 ounces of heavy whipping cream to our blender. This kind of substitutes for coconut cream like you'd normally put in there because the coconut flavoring comes from the Bai, and we're just getting the creaminess from the heavy whipping cream. The final thing going into our blender is ice. Now, I can't really tell you exactly how much ice to add. It depends on the temperature of all your ingredients when you added them, but I like to add a few handfuls at a time, mix it up, and then check the consistency. You're looking for a slushy type consistency. For me, it took this whole bowl plus a little bit extra to get it to the slushiness that I was looking for. But if you like it a little more liquidy, feel free to stop earlier. If you like it more thick, feel free to add a little more ice. This ingredient is totally up to you. The final step is to stir your cocktail. This is because a layer of what is essentially whipped cream will form on top from the heavy whipping cream. Just make sure you stir it back in before serving your cocktail. So now that you've seen how to make these things, we're going to give it a taste test. So here we go. Cheers. That is killer, guys. It tastes just like a pina colada. The Bai is just sweet enough for me, but if it's not sweet enough for you, feel free to add a little bit of liquid stevia or possibly even some powdered erythritol. What do you think about it?
I think it's fantastic. This is probably by far one of the most delicious drinks I've had.
Well, there you have it, guys. So if you need something cool to make today, give this a go. And if you have not subscribed yet, go hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, leave it a like. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section. But with that, I hope all you guys have a wonderful Independence Day. Enjoy yourself tonight with the fireworks and be safe.
Cheers.